we also will get. All right, so we have a representative from Dingtil, a man of the match.
Yeah, thanks for the victory. And
Your name for the record?
my name is Tirafah Bryan, coming from Arnett Garden. Yeah, and thank God for the coaches and the coaching staff. Yeah, for build a unit there, and we are working the discipline this year. Yeah, and we are look for another win again for the next match. Yeah,
All
oh
right, so
thank God.
you are the man of the match. Give me your assessment of your performance today.
My performance for work hard in your training, score a lot of goals in your training, yeah, and discipline. Listen to teammate them and them continue.
All right,
Yeah.
congratulations. Hope to see you bigger and better
Yeah.
next time. All right,
Yeah.
bless up yourself.